My first consultation with Antano and Harini, and I thought, what do I have to talk about? And I sat there, and I was in tears. In fact, I remember most of my consultations until recently I've cried in front of him. There was a significant transformation in my relationships. As from an intern to the head of pre-investments, within I think 1.5 to 2 years. Grateful is such a small word for what they do. And it's not because what they do, it's also because you know how much they care about you. You feel it when you're around them. They do it out of pure love, And I've had the privilege being, 7 years older to have one-on-one time with them. So I know what it feels like to be around them and then feel their love and their care, where they are concerned or they just want you to do better out of nothing. It's just pureness. I mean, whatever we pay is not going to do anything in their lives. They're using most of it to help other people. They could have minted billions, I would say, if not the least. They do it because they care. Hi, I'm Deshna Jain. I'm the managing partner of Tailwind Capital Advisors. In my wildest, dreams, I wouldn't have imagined that I would get a partnership opportunity so young, but I did. I want to be in a place where I'm in 100% control of my life. Right? I don't have to depend on my parents or people around me or in every way. And I'm successful and I have an identity of my own as a public person. To me now, starting my own investment banking firm, if I want to do anything else, it feels, it's in my reach. And a 17-year-old Deshna, the widow we saw, would have never imagined it in a wildest dream. So if you want to keep on evolving, right, and you want to become the best and the best and the best and the best, right, you've got to come to this ecosystem. Because the people over here, the learning that you have here is exceptional, right? You have doctors, you have CEOs, you have CFOs, you have CTOs, you have musicians, you have artists. Like for me, I was great at what I did and I did not even know I had an art aspect to my life, which I explored here, right? And oh my God, like you have to be here if you want to keep on being the greatest of all times. Like we have 3 sisters, so both of my elder sisters are part of this ecosystem. Both of my brother-in-laws are part of this ecosystem. I am part of this ecosystem. I have multiple of my cousins who are part of this ecosystem. I have my family friends who are part of this ecosystem. And I've seen everybody's life get better and better and better with this as soon as they become part of this ecosystem. And I also have my next generation ready to, as soon as Josh gives them a tick, they can become to the up right now. They're big enough to come and build capabilities at a younger age where they can then conquer the world. But Antano still had that vision that time. I met him last up and I said, okay, Antano, everything is happening like Deshna. Don't worry. You'll figure it out. Like I can see the next 5 years. I always wanted to be an entrepreneur. I have an idea in my mind, which I haven't been working on. So I would like that idea that I have in mind is successful by that time. If I've done that, then I'll be focused in my work and I won't be wasting time just daydreaming or whatever, or just staying like I am staying right now. So 7 years ago, I was right out of my 12th, got over, and the next day I had a job, so I was there, right? And that time it was, okay, I want to do something in the startup ecosystem, right? That time it was, I want to have a startup of my own. But then Antano suggested, no, I want you to right now work with founders. There was a significant transformation in my relationships. I became the head of pre-investments, which gave me a lot of validation. It gave me a lot of insights. It increased my IQ to the next level. In my life, I wouldn't have imagined that, right now I would have been running my own firm. So that itself is like a huge win for me.
How many years have Antano and Harini helped you time compress in your life?
in career, maybe 10, 15 years. In personal life, I just see a disaster, so I'm going to say the next 100 years. If you're extraordinary in one thing, they will make sure this it generalizes, expands your horizon to 100 billion things. You will start doing things intuitively so well. If you can see, okay, I'm great at what I do and I get a promotion every 1 year or 6 months, you will come to this ecosystem and you'll get double promotion in 6 months, triple promotion in 6 months. And for me, for whatever they've done for my life, for my family's life, for each, right? Tapsi's miracle pregnancy, right? That was the first case in ANH, right, that brought us so much happiness for everything that they do. And the fact that they're just there. You know, my father says this, that bahut baar hai na, you don't need a lot. You just need somebody to stand behind you. That itself gives you a lot of courage to do a lot of things. People who don't have that have more difficulties in life than people who have that. कि हाँ मैं खड़ा हूँ तो आगे जाके कर. So if I have my family, of course, standing behind me, I have ANH standing behind me and I feel it. I felt their presence so many times. And I don't know how to be thankful. I genuinely don't. I don't have words. I don't have actions right now to say that if that will be enough to be like, hey guys, I think this is enough. Guru Dakshana kitni bhi de do is never enough. And I hope they know how much I love them. I genuinely do, how much I love and I care about them and I think about them and how much I'm thankful for them and for everything that they do.